oil for Andy here. Right, I was round Aldi and I found this new chicken tikka loaded naan. There you go, £1.99. See it there. That's new. Well, it says new on there anyway. Will it look like that? Oh, I don't know, very much doubt it. Let's have a closer look at it anyway. Here we go then, eat and go. Chicken tikka loaded naan with succulent chicken in a Moorish tikka sauce over pilau rice and mango chutney. Sounds nice. £1.99. Traffic light system there, and it won't take a look. See that there? I don't know if that'll look that loaded, but we'll have a go anyway. Right, flip it over. It's in the chill sections where the sandwiches are and everything. As I say, marinated chicken with tikka sauce, pilau rice, mango chutney wrapped in a naan bread. Here we go. You microwave this if you want. Well, you can. That is the way to do it, I think, is microwave. So that's what we'll do. 800 watt 90 seconds, 900 watt 80 seconds. Yeah, let's do that. We'll give it a go. Get that round, get the light off. Caution, beware of escaping steam when removing the film. Handle carefully to avoid scalding. Ensure product is thoroughly heated and piping hot throughout. Yeah, do not reheat. Right, that is the ingredients. It's a fair few of them. We've got allergens of wheat and milk sitting there. And metabisulfate for urgency in bowl. May also contain cashews, walnuts, peanuts, celery, sesame and soya. It's quite a few ingredients, but some of them look pretty clean. Probably some don't, I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. There you go. Right, nutritional information is there. That's about it, 185 grams, £1.99. Right, let's get the thing open. Right, it says on the back to remove the cardboard sleeve, which I'm doing. Open one end of the film and place on a microwavable plate. Right, let's get it in the microwave. Right, here we go then. Got to get this open now without burning ourselves. Get this thing open. It's bloody hot. That off that. You get this off. Ah, cardboard. Right. That to one side. Just let that cool a minute. Right, so here we have it. Now the naan is nice and soft. I'm going to cut this bang in half. Okay, I'll come in here in a minute and have a go. We'll get that cut in half like that. And that is what we have in the middle. Oh, it's very hot. Very, very hot, as you can see. Right, so that cool. Right, here we go then, Kay's here. Yeah, just get stuck in. Now, I'm going to warn you, this is hot, right? H-O-T, hot, yeah? Just don't burn yourself.
Oh, how long did you put it on for?
For what that said, 80 seconds on a 900, right? I've done it all by per instructions. I sit there for a minute or so, trying to cool.
Just have this small.
Well, they're both the same, it's half each, so please yourself what side you have. But I'll warn you, that's hot. Here we go, she's going to burn herself. What's it like?
Bit soggy.
Well, that's microwave, isn't it? That's going to be. Is it hot? As in?
Well, it's not too hot.
Cool, it tastes nice. Curry, isn't it? Tikka.
Tikka.
Yeah, do you like that? Taste?
Right.
God, it's lovely. God, it's got a bit of warmth to it. You got a bit of warmth on your throat.
A little bit, nothing to...
She's getting on, isn't she? Cool. The Tikka tastes how Tikka should do, to be honest. It's very, very soft, that bread, though. Which is going to be because of the microwave and that. You're leaning on that bloody cooker again. You can see the chicken and stuff there. On there. Dropped a bit. But
So it's really spicy hot now.
that is very spicy. But it's got a lovely Tikka flavour. And tastes like the way a Tikka should do. The warmth, that is really, really warm. The spice.
Bread's not too bad now it's cooling off a bit.
That's quite nice, that.
When it's a little bit cooler, it's better, isn't it?
Yeah, I think that's really nice, I do. Myself. Even though you have to do it in the microwave. I think that's got a lovely taste to it. That's got a lovely flavour, that Tikka. Give that a score. I'm talking now for flavour, all stuff like that and everything. I know what I've got straight in my mind. Go on.
9.
Exactly what I thought. That's exactly what I was thinking. I think that's bloody lovely for $1.99.
There wasn't a bit more filling.
Well, that's your end bit, but I don't know.
But you're losing it.
Yeah, don't worry about it. What do you have it then? I don't think that's too bad. It's not obviously looking like the picture on there, but to be quite honest and to be fair, I think that's worth $1.99. That's my opinion.
No, never do look like the pictures, do they?
But that for $1.99 is pretty damn good, I think. For a nice little snack.
And a bit of protein.
Yep. Top notch.
And new out, aren't they?
Yep. 9 out of 10. Give that a go. Right.
And new.
Thumbs up if you like this. Give us your comments below if you tried it yet. It's new and only. $1.99. Highly recommend you try it, especially if you like Tikka. It's got a lovely warmth. Nice bit of heat. Spicy heat to it in it as well. Yeah, give it a go. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so to help the channel. And we'll catch you lovely people in the next one.
See ya.
Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.
Bye.